What we're gonna do is we're gonna start out with our ingredients. And one of the secret ingredients is mashed sweet potatoes. Ooh, wait a minute. Well, let's just see how this goes. So we're gonna put that in our Vitamix. We also are making a video on how to make these for the Instant Pot pressure cooker. But you can also bake them. We took the skins off. Most of the time when we have sweet potatoes, we don't take the skins off. And I never got a chance to ask Beverly if she took the skins off when she made the pudding. She's nodding. Yeah. So anyway, so we're gonna put the mashed sweet potatoes. And boy, if you ever have just had mashed sweet potatoes, plain mashed sweet potatoes, they're really good just by themselves. Yeah. So that's really delicious. Okay, so we got those in. And then it calls for pitted dates. In our house, we have a big pantry full of date paste. And this is what we like to use. So Rick weighs it and he can tell me how many dates are in here so we know what to do. And that's what we use most of the time when we make treats and baking, is we just use this date paste, which is really good.
Could you just put regular dates without the pits in there?
Yeah. Yes, absolutely. And the recipe...
Soak them first.
Okay, Beverly says that you should soak them first. About how long would you soak the dates for, Beverly?
At least 30 minutes or so, just to soften them.
Okay. All right, so we got that in there. So soak your dates for about 30 minutes. But we're going to put the recipe in the notes so that you guys can see that.
When you say soak, does the water have to be hot or does it not matter?
You don't typically use hot water, right? Yeah, she just puts out a bowl and...
If you want it quicker, use it hot.
Yeah, that's a good tip. Okay, and then of course it's chocolate, so we have to have our cocoa or cacao powder. So we'll put that in there. And you know that chocolate comes from cocoa, and that which is a tree. Did you know that? Yeah. And that makes it a plant, so actually chocolate is a salad, right? Okay. And then we have some plant milk. In this case, it's almond milk. And we like to make our own because we don't care for the different chemicals that we find in most of the plant milk in the store. But it's okay if you use that, if you're transitioning especially. You don't want to have to worry about making everything.
Do you have a recipe for that too?
Yes, we do. The other ingredient is vanilla. And we used our vanilla for the one that you're going to be eating tonight. So we don't have any more vanilla left. So just make believe I put it in there and don't worry about it. Okay, so I think that's it, right? What? That's it? Yeah, those are all the ingredients right there. Now, another Green Star member that we have here, and that's Laura. And Laura showed me that when you are going with a plant-based lifestyle, it's going to increase your life expectancy, right? And you're going to be healthy at a longer, older age, but you don't want to lose your hearing, right?
I learned it from Beverly.
Oh, you learned it from Beverly, see that?
From John.
And okay, that's your pudding. Oh my goodness. We'll show you what the finished product looks like because we brought it with us. And so, obviously this is whole food plant-based and it's part of a balanced lifestyle. And a balanced diet is chocolate as long as you have it one in each hand, right? So I hope that you enjoyed this. Does anybody have any questions?
I have a question. How do you get it out of there?
Watch it. There we go. So there it comes. Ooh. Does that look like pudding? I think it looks like pudding. It is pudding, that's right. Anybody else have any other questions?
I have a comment.
Yes.
We think it's wonderful frosting.
Frosting.
It is amazing. Rick's cupcake recipe.
Yeah, we have a video to teach you how to make chocolate cupcakes, and it does come with a frosting, but this is another option. For some people are avoiding nuts, and our frosting for the cupcake that Rick makes has nuts in it, so this is a great option for a frosting. And there's another thing that you can do with it, right, Beverly?
Yeah.
What is that?
Thin it down some more and make fudgesicles out of it. Fudgesicles, freezer things.
Yeah, so little ice pop molds.
Yeah.
Got to put those in the back of the freezer too. Behind the frozen vegetables or something. Anybody else have any questions? We're going to take some out so that from the cold one that we have, we're going to let everybody try it. Okay, well, I wanted to thank Beverly and John again for this awesome recipe, because this is going to change my world. I hope it changes your world too. And let us know in the comments below if you tried it or if you have other variations. And if you have any questions, just go ahead and put in the comments below. And we're going to give you that link to the recipe there too. And remember, click up here to subscribe so that we know that you enjoy these videos, and ring the bell so you get notifications when we get new ones coming out. And until we see you again, remember, be strong, be well, and be green! Bye-bye! Wow, this is great. You guys have got to try this.